Alright, so the rain finally stopped. We're all hanging out. Oh, Autumn just woke up from her nap. Hi, Autumn. I'm taking a video of the doggies. Winchester, good boy. Now he's starting to follow me around. A little nervous, but he's warming up. Shaggy's been running around all day playing. Hi, Callie. Hi, baby. Sweet girl. Come on. Hi, Sky. What are these two doing? What's up, boys? Hi, Daisy. Hi, buddy. Nothing. Nothing. Grandpa's babysitting. He's been a big help. Thank goodness. Oh, big guy. I'm just moving the pool. Alright. It's alright, buddy. Good boy. Checking me out. He doesn't know what to think. He wants to come near me, but he doesn't want to come near me. Tigger. Bubby. Oh no, what happened? You broke it. Oh, Dada broke it actually. I'll fix it. What, the bubble machine is broken? Oh no. Alright. Everybody's ready to eat. We're gonna go in for dinner soon. Oh, stop it, Frank. Alright, happy Saturday. Everybody's chilling. It's quiet time now. We're all ready to eat and we're probably gonna go nap. Enjoy the weekend.